Today I'll share with you about people who walk with these two characteristics. Walking with a relaxed state. Long-lived individuals often exhibit these two features when walking. When walking, they are relaxed and have clear-minded and quick responses. They don't experience chest tightness, shortness of breath, fatigue, or weakness, and their pace is usually faster than normal. This indicates normal functioning of the nervous system and cardiovascular system, as well as normal coordination of muscles and bones. Maintaining this state can help extend lifespan. Additionally, it's recommended to increase walking speed for effective exercise, and walks should not be too short. Slight sweating during walking is ideal. Walking helps prolong life, but it's not a short-term solution. Long-term commitment is needed to achieve the goal of benefiting physical and mental health and ultimately longevity. Legs not feeling numb or painful. Healthy individuals don't experience numbness or pain in their legs while walking. However, if there are problems with the blood vessels in the lower limbs or the brain, or if the legs have been injured, numbness and pain may occur, especially during walking, and may worsen, such as calf cramps or intermittent limping. One should be particularly vigilant about cerebral infarction and venous thrombosis. Almost everyone experiences leg weakness and fatigue, especially older adults. Occasionally, even climbing stairs may feel exhausting. But do you know? Leg weakness may be a signal of health issues. Joint pain, such as osteoarthritis, is one of the most common causes of joint pain and leg weakness in middle-aged and elderly people. As age increases, crucial components like calcium and glucosamine are lost, reducing joint fluid secretion and leading to gradual degradation, wear, and tear of joint cartilage. Improper weight, exercise, and injury can exacerbate cartilage wear. When there is a lack of lubrication and cushioning from cartilage, joints may rub against each other, causing pain and potentially osteophyte formation, further stimulating surrounding tissues, nerves, and muscles. Over time, joint pain intensifies, limiting movement and causing leg weakness. Therefore, if there is leg weakness accompanied by symptoms such as joint pain, stiffness, limited movement, especially if there is pain at the beginning of walking or difficulty walking after sitting for a long time, one should be cautious about osteoarthritis. Walking with cotton sensation in your feet may be cervical spondylosis. Nowadays, cervical spondylosis is becoming more and more common. Long-term desk work, looking down at smartphones, prolonged sitting, poor sleeping positions, and other habits are quietly harming our cervical spine. Having cervical spondylosis may seem like just a problem with the neck, but as the condition progresses, it can affect the whole body. Mild cases may cause stiffness and soreness in the neck. If nerves are compressed, it can lead to symptoms like dizziness, headaches, hearing loss, tinnitus, insomnia, gastrointestinal disorders, and even paralysis or strokes, endangering one's life and health. It's worth noting that cervical spondylosis may also be accompanied by symptoms like weakness, pain, numbness, and instability in the lower limbs, similar to stepping on cotton. In severe cases, there may be spasms and difficulty walking in the lower limbs. However, many people mistake these symptoms for problems in the legs, missing the best time for treatment. Leg numbness when walking, could it be due to diabetes-related peripheral neuropathy? Peripheral neuropathy caused by diabetes often manifests as symmetrical numbness and pain in the limbs, with more pronounced symptoms in the lower limbs. During an episode, individuals may feel like ants are crawling on their limbs, accompanied by heat and swelling. This sensation spreads from the toes to the knees, giving the impression of wearing socks. It is important to seek medical attention early if such symptoms occur. Regular massage, about 100 to 200 times per session, producing a soreness, can help. Massaging the Zusamli acupoint while also stimulating the Naguan and Higa points can regulate qi and blood circulation, improve various lumbar spine problems, and alleviate symptoms. 3. Leg numbness, foot mobility controlled by nerves from the lumbar vertebrae. The sensation and mobility of legs and feet are controlled by nerves originating from the lumbar vertebrae. When the lumbar spine is subjected to excessive force and the intervertebral discs are compressed, the ruptured fibrous ring may stimulate or compress these nerve roots, causing inflammation, swelling, and symptoms such as lower back pain and numbness, weakness, and pain in one or both lower limbs. This lower limb pain often radiates from the lower back to the buttocks, back of the thighs, outer calves, and feet, especially when abdominal pressure suddenly increases, such as during coughing or sneezing, exacerbating the pain. Individuals with a history of trauma, exposure to cold, or prolonged heavy physical work should be especially cautious. Prompt consultation with an orthopedist or spine surgeon is necessary if these symptoms occur to prevent worsening of the condition and impact on daily life. 4. Symmetrical limb numbness due to diabetes-related peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy caused by diabetes often presents as symmetrical numbness and pain in the limbs, with more pronounced symptoms in the lower limbs. During an episode, individuals may feel like ants are crawling on their limbs, accompanied by heat and swelling. This sensation spreads from the toes to the knees, giving the impression of wearing socks. It is important to seek medical attention early if such symptoms occur. Regular massage, about 100 to 200 times per session, producing a soreness, can help. Massaging the Zusomli acupoint while also stimulating the Naguan and Higa points can regulate qi and blood circulation, improve various lumbar spine problems, and alleviate symptoms. 5. Choosing the right shoes for walking. When walking, it's essential to wear comfortable shoes. Uncomfortable shoes can compress the feet or cause dragging while walking, hindering the walking process and potentially injuring the feet. Therefore, if you aim to walk every day, it's crucial to choose shoes that are comfortable for walking. This way, the benefits of walking can fully manifest. 6. Being prepared with water. When engaging in prolonged walking exercises, it's essential to have water nearby. Dehydration can occur during extended walking sessions, negatively impacting overall health. Therefore, drinking water prepared for walking can help replenish lost fluids, maintaining hydration levels during the activity. 7. Choosing the walking route. For long-term walking exercises, it's advisable to select well-maintained routes and avoid areas with heavy traffic, as they pose significant risks. Long-lived individuals often display specific walking characteristics. As they age, their legs and feet become less agile, and walking becomes more challenging. They may experience breathlessness and a slower walking pace, often described as a leisurely stroll. However, if they can maintain a brisk pace and steady gait as they age, it indicates relatively good health without bone or joint-related issues. Most elderly individuals experience bone-related problems as they age, leading to mobility issues, indicating signs of bodily aging or health problems. Walking also helps assess cardiovascular health. While the exercise level may not be intense, consistent walking can reveal cardiovascular health. Those with poor cardiovascular health may experience breathlessness and increased heart rate after walking a short distance, while those with good cardiovascular health can walk long distances with ease, maintaining a calm demeanor and steady breath. Therefore, regular walking is crucial for maintaining overall health, especially for older individuals. 8. Walking for relaxation. Walking is a relaxing activity that can help alleviate stress and improve mood regulation. During walking, the brain becomes more alert, and the body relaxes. However, if after walking, one feels dizzy or experiences headaches, it may indicate underlying health issues, requiring prompt attention and care. 9. Walking techniques. Everyone has their unique walking style. Some people naturally swing their arms while walking, while others prefer to keep their hands in their pockets. Some may keep their arms stationary. Among these, those who naturally swing their arms tend to have their arm muscles exercised, indicating good coordination and control. When the arms swing naturally, the muscles are exercised, and the walking speed can be evenly controlled, reducing the risk of injury. Overall, those who naturally swing their arms while walking tend to have better overall health and are more likely to approach longevity. 10. Preparation for walking. Ensure you have water when preparing for extended walks. Staying hydrated during prolonged walking sessions is essential as it prevents dehydration, which can adversely affect your health. Prolonged walking can lead to significant water loss in the body, leading to dehydration and potential health risks. Therefore, carrying water while walking helps replenish lost fluids and ensures optimal hydration levels. 11. Choosing the walking location. When opting for long-term walking exercises, it's best to select routes that are easy to navigate and avoid heavily trafficked areas. These locations pose significant safety hazards. As people age, their walking abilities may change. They may find it challenging to walk long distances and may experience shortness of breath. Their walking pace may slow down, and they may appear less energetic. However, individuals who can maintain a brisk walking pace and stable gait as they age generally have better overall health, free from bone or joint-related issues. Most elderly individuals experience some form of bone-related problems as they age, leading to mobility issues and indicating signs of bodily aging or health problems. Walking also serves as an indicator of cardiovascular health. While the exercise intensity may not be high, consistent walking can reflect cardiovascular health. Those with poor cardiovascular health may experience breathlessness and an increased heart rate after walking short distances, while those with good cardiovascular health can walk long distances with ease, maintaining a calm demeanor and steady breath. Therefore, regular walking is crucial for maintaining overall health, especially for older individuals. 12. Walking for relaxation. Walking is a relaxing activity that can help alleviate stress and improve mood regulation. It aids in managing negative emotions and promoting a sense of well-being. During walking, the brain becomes more alert, and the body relaxes. After completing a walk, individuals often feel mentally refreshed and physically rejuvenated. Each person has their unique walking style. Some naturally swing their arms, while others prefer to keep their hands in their pockets. Regardless of the style, walking helps the mind become clearer and the body more relaxed. If, after walking, you find yourself feeling mentally foggy or experiencing dizziness, it's essential to pay attention to these signs, as they may indicate underlying health issues that require timely attention and care. 13. Health benefits of walking. Walking is one of the most effective ways to improve and maintain overall health. Numerous studies have shown that regular, moderate-intensity exercise, such as walking, provides substantial health benefits, including reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and cancer. Walking has been dubbed as a longevity pill by researchers. A study conducted by the Leicester Biomedical Research Center in 2019, published in the Mayo Clinic Proceedings, revealed a direct correlation between brisk walking and longevity. The study collected data on the walking habits and mortality rates of approximately 475,000 individuals, most of whom were over 50 years old. It found that individuals who walked briskly tended to live longer, with an average increase in lifespan of 15 to 20 years compared to slower walkers. 14. Walking as an anti-cancer treatment. A study conducted by the National Cancer Institute in 2016 found that individuals who engage in the highest levels of physical activity have a significantly lower risk of developing cancer, compared to those who are the least active. Specifically, adults who engage in more than 1 hour of brisk walking per day have a 42% lower risk of developing esophageal cancer, a 27% lower risk of developing stomach cancer, and a 23% lower risk of developing colon cancer. Regular physical activity has also been shown to reduce the risk of developing other types of cancer, including endometrial cancer, leukemia, myeloma, and cancers of the breast, lung, and bladder. Therefore, incorporating brisk walking into your daily routine can be an effective strategy for reducing the risk of cancer and improving overall health. 15. Walking is a blood pressure regulator. In August 2021, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Hypertension by researchers from Peking University Third Hospital revealed that consistent brisk walking for 3 months resulted in an average reduction in blood pressure of approximately 2 to 3 millimeters of mercury for most individuals. The researchers suggested that for individuals with hypertension, walking 4,000 to 8,000 steps per day could achieve significant blood pressure reduction. 16. Walking is a blood sugar regulator. Li Qingwen, a graduate supervisor at Tianjin University of Sport, stated in an interview with Health Times in 2017 that walking also benefits individuals with diabetes. As one of the 5 pillars of diabetes treatment, exercise, particularly brisk walking, is likened to a walking pill for lowering blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels rise, insulin is needed to lower them. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity, enhances bone and muscle function, and helps prevent diabetes-related complications. 17. Walking is a digestive aid. Another popular walking technique involves twisting while walking, increasing the rotation of the waist and hips during the walking process. This method promotes bowel movements and effectively relieves constipation. It also contributes to preventing rectal cancer, especially for individuals with abdominal obesity. Twisting during walking consumes more energy, as it engages the side muscles, making it beneficial for burning calories and reducing fat accumulation. 18. Walking for bone health. According to Zhang Hui, a national second-level public nutritionist, in an interview with Health Times in 2011, inadequate calcium intake can lead to calcium deficiency. However, what many people are unaware of is that insufficient exercise can also lead to calcium deficiency. Research indicates that weight-bearing exercises like walking and running have a higher rate of bone calcium deposition compared to non-weight-bearing exercises like swimming. Zhang Hui recommends cultivating the habit of exercise, in addition to consuming more dairy, to prevent osteoporosis in middle-aged and older individuals. 19. Walking for weight management. Walking is the simplest form of exercise for weight management. In 2013, actor Chow Yun-fat lost 13 kilograms in 10 months for a film role by strictly controlling his diet and walking for at least an hour and a half every day. Chow emphasized the importance of regular walking in his routine, covering a distance of approximately 10 kilometers each day. Though walking does not require a significant investment of time or money, it can yield substantial benefits for both physical and mental health. 20. Conclusion. In conclusion, walking is an essential and accessible form of exercise that offers numerous health benefits. From promoting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases to improving mood and aiding in weight management, the advantages of walking are extensive. Incorporating brisk walking into your daily routine can significantly enhance your overall well-being and longevity. So, lace up your shoes, step outside, and enjoy the many benefits that walking has to offer. Remember, you're never alone on your journey to better health and vitality.